Yingtan Yujiang, known as the hometown of Chinese glasses, holds an important position in the domestic market and also stands out in the international market. Since 2016, the foreign trade exports of Yujiang glasses have been growing at a rate of 20% annually. In 2023, the export value exceeded $100 million.
做这个我们智能化的生产，智能化的生产呢，就像我们这个产品，我们这个产品呢是这个注塑自动化、喷漆自动化，大大的减少了那个人力的资源。整个欧洲啊、南美呀、包括中欧啊，产品都比较受到海外客户的认可。2024年，在全球来说，我们这个产品就是几家公司的总的销售额将近1个亿吧。
Today's tour of Yujiang glasses has shown us the boundless possibilities of traditional industries innovating and expanding overseas. We look forward to seeing Yujiang glasses shine even brighter on the global stage.